Hi, if you're wondering what this little hole is for on your Samsung G9 monitor, it's a place to run your cables, but you might be wondering how on earth do you actually get the cables in here because it seems to be solid all the way around. It's really straightforward. This whole white thing here will slide up and out. So I'm going to use a finger here, I'm going to use my fingers here and my thumb here, and I'm just going to slide it up like so, and you can see that's lifted out there. It allows me to take this out, and look at this massive cutout that we have here. This will allow us to bring the cables through here, down here, and out the bottom here. I'm just going to show you an example with the power cable, but you might be putting your DisplayPort cables down, your headphone jack cable, or your HDMI cables. So we've got it here. On this monitor, the blanking plate here is missing, but it doesn't affect hiding the cables on this particular bit. So we're going to bring it down here and there like so. Now you're going to get this, and you're going to put it on about 2 centimeters up from the bottom, making sure that that wire is not trapped anywhere. Like so, and we're just going to push it down until it clips into place. And you can see now that the cable is nicely hidden in the stand, like so. So you don't have to worry about trying to fish it through, you just lift that off to get in there. Again, to remove the cable, just up from here, take it out. You can remove the cable about 2 centimeters up from the bottom and then snap it down into place again. Thanks for watching.